Hey y'all, so I got some more Oyen handmade products, okay? So I got some deep conditioner, I got some juices up in here for y'all, and in terms of juices, I mean hairsprays and stuff to keep your hair juicy, okay? And I got some beard products, you heard? And this is the Levi Fisher Line K Fresh Start Beard Wash. Mm, Fresh start, y'all. Next, we are showing the Smooth Operator. Smooth Operator for conditioning lotion. Okay, we are smooth operating this beard with conditioning lotion. Okay, and then we got the Bomb Diggity Beard Balm. Okay, no diggity, no doubt, baby. Don't sue me, LL, because I ain't got it. Moving on to our next products. The What the Hell Deep Moisture Mask. Okay, so, uncomically, What the Hemp Deep Moisture Mask. Okay, it's a deep conditioner, got those hemp products in there. Okay, and if you want to see more about this product, go to the site melanatedbeautydepot.com, And then we also have the burnt sugar humectant hair pomade, y'all, okay? So not only is it going to keep your hair nice and moisturized, but it's also a pomade, so it's gonna keep you nice and slick down. Next up, we have the juices. These are nourishing herbal leave-ins. Okay, they are sprays like a hair fragrance, but natural. We have them in three flavors. So there's frank juice, made of frankincense and myrrh. There's a Greg juice, citrus lavender, and last but not least, juices and berries. Sweet berry, y'all. All right, y'all already know. Thank you to those of you who made it to the end of this video. Please subscribe if you already haven't, and please like this video. And if you don't like it, leave a comment and tell me why or what I'm missing.